Hello viewers, good news for Samsung fans. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus are officially coming to India. These two tablets have been spotted on the BIS website, and you know that what it means. Means launch is imminent. After the success of the Galaxy Tab S9 FE series, Samsung is bringing the next gen Fan Edition tablets to the market. But what's new? What will be the upgrade in Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus? If you talk about S10 FE, it will feature 10.9 inches screen, whereas Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus will have 13.1 inches screen, while the former will pack 8000 mAh battery. S10 FE Plus will pack a 10,000 plus mAh battery. If you talk about the processor, both the tablets will come with Exynos 1580 SoC with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The rear camera will be 13 megapixel and at the front you will get 12 megapixel selfie shooter. Both the tablet will come with Wi-Fi and also 5G variant. Both the tablets may feature IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, and both the tablets will come with S Pen in the box. And if you talk about the charging, both of the tablets will support charging up to 45 watt. However, you will not get the charger inside the box. Now, if you want to know about the exact launch date, Samsung has not specified any launch date for these two tablets. However, it may be assumed that these tablets will come to India, or these tablets will be officially launched globally after 2 to 3 months. So you may expect these two tablets at around May or June 2025. So if you are eagerly waiting for the Fan Edition, you should definitely wait next 2 or 3 months. Only then you can get these two tablets to buy. As it will come with Exynos 1580, it will be 30 to 40% faster than Exynos 1380 in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE and also S9 FE Plus. Plus, both the tablets will come with One UI 7.0 and also Android 15. So let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy Fan Edition tablets or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.